Hey, what's up guys? This is Darren. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will be sharing my thoughts on the new Huawei Matebook D13. So if you want to know if size does really matter, then keep on watching. So as I have mentioned in my previous videos, I have convinced at least 5 people that my Huawei Matebook D15 is such a great mid-range laptop. So actually, one of those people is my own mother. She wanted the same features of my Huawei Matebook D15, but she needs something portable for work because she goes from places to places. Hence, she bought the smallest in the D series, which is the Huawei Matebook D13. But before we go into the review, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for future videos. If you haven't watched my D15 unboxing and review, I'll put the link down in the description box. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. I remember there was time that notebooks are really trendy. Yeah, so I had one of those. It's my HP notebook. It's this cute. Look at this. It's just the size of my hand, and my hands are really small. It's pink, so it's very kikai. It's very me. But my problem with this one is that yes, it's portable, but it's so slow, and storage capacity isn't good either. Thankfully, because of the advances of technology, they were able to fit the specs of a normal laptop into a smaller package. Enter Huawei D13. So let's start. If you look at the appearance, it's in the color space gray, but it's also available in mystic silver. It has a plain, shiny outer coverage, so aesthetically it's really elegant also. It's also minimalist. It just has a logo of Huawei and its name. And when you open it, see, really similar to the MacBook. It weighs 1.3 kilograms, so it's very portable. It's suitable for people who travels a lot, so if you need to bring this to your work or your school, it's not that heavy compared to the other laptops in the market. So for the display, it has a 13-inch screen if you measured it diagonally. It has a touchscreen variant, but my mom got the non-touchscreen one because she doesn't know how to use touchscreen. It has an aspect ratio of 3:2, so it looks closer to a square. One thing I like about this laptop is that its resolution is 2160 by 1440, which is better than my D15. So the images here are clearer, sharper, more crisp, and the colors are more accurate. Remember, I mentioned in one of my videos that one of my problem with my D15 is that its color isn't accurate. Overall, the images are more realistic if you're gonna watch in this laptop. So another difference is that its camera is in the top screen, unlike the D15, which is in the keyboard. When it comes to performance, this laptop has an 8th Gen Intel Core i5 processor. Its graphics is NVIDIA GeForce MX 250. It has a memory of 8 GB, but it also has a 16 GB variant. And the storage is 512 GB SSD. If you'll notice, the keyboard is backlit, so it will be better, or it will be easier for you to type in the dark. One downside of this laptop is just it has limited ports. On the left side, we have its USB Type-C charging port and the 3.5mm audio jack. On the right side, we only have the USB Type-C port. It comes with the adapter, but I can't find it right now, so I think I'm just gonna put a picture here. It is a USB Type-C to Type-A adapter so that you can use a mouse or use a hard drive or other USB A or B stuff. So to make things more portable for my mom, I bought her this Logitech Pebble Bluetooth wireless mouse. This wireless mouse has an option of putting this receiver on the USB port, but it can also connect via Bluetooth. Yeah, I also have this one, and I also use this one for my D15. If you can notice
my
the
channel.
speaker.
So for this video, we will be talking about my Huawei D15 after 4 months of using it. If you're new to my channel, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for future videos.
So for its speaker, I think it's really decent. It's loud for such a small laptop. I didn't really need to put on my headphones to hear it better. I can hear it clearly, and yeah, there's a good speaker. The speaker is in the back side, one here on the left and the right, and this whole back thingy. So I think that's it, guys. Overall, I think the Huawei Matebook D13 is a very powerful device. I mean, despite its size, it can perform like the bigger laptops, and I think it's a very big plus that it's very portable, so that you can be productive anywhere you want to go. So guys, size does not matter. It's with the performance. Yucks. Ew. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more future videos. And I'll see you on the next one.